Let's make a comforting bowl of ramen with all ingredients from Kam Man Market. You'll need your favorite package of ramen, add-ins of your choice. We used bok choy, green onions, fish cake, mushrooms, and an egg. Start by bringing your water to a boil. Add your noodles and cook according to package. Next, prepare your add-ins such as vegetables and fish cake. Assemble all ingredients in a bowl. Add your favorite toppings and sauces. And there you have it, a cozy, delicious bowl of ramen, just the way you like it.